Sanibonani and welcome to the Ghetto Dreams podcast. I go by the name of LMK. Mara namanje lelo elamakhamera elasekhaya uLumkile Stephans mfana seSoweto madala. And fanda I'm very excited ngeke silame ngiliphethe. And I was thinking at this rate ama-legends we-Chiefs ngizogcina ngwa-interviewer wonke because last bengiphethe uShoes Mushiwo. Fanda ngiphethe uTsikitsiki yo. Welcome uLinda Shiba. Tiki camera never lies. Ukraine put.
Angisonto njalo.
Mnandi mfethu. Yena tusilahlile mfethu. Asakubona kumafikisi ufika uzojabulisa nje South Africa bese yanyamalala. Usichape ba.
Akhola ekhasi mfethu.
Yeah.
Endawo ibhola la Khasaza.
Usichape kuphi la eBeirut emndeni kaSlapho?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Awutshele ka irayile because I know with the history namanje ngacaba esibhaye zasemndini. There's three things involved. It's either the akelela kukhulise bencinza itransi or nje uyayazi nje umsindo kaPhepela phezulu kwendlu izijafela bakada or uye wadlala idisk and definitely wacoacha uVoyvoy. So wonke umuntu nama experiences are different. Wena ngifuna ukwazi ngiyakhe experience. How was your experience ukukhula emndini?
Mina firstly khulela ami family church.
Oh, all right.
Dala wami umfundisi. Then vele ngikhula idisk ngemali.
Alright.
Yeah, level uRenewar udlala ithimini kaVoyvoy.
Ake zonke zasemndini.
Yeah, bengidlala class from under 12.
All right.
Yeah, till ngidlala development.
Wow. So once under 12, uVoyvoy is the first team where wayedlala amaqala ukubona ukuthi yaqaba idisk.
Ngidlala kwenye team ya like Aslam but bungasinto bengi-enjoy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because ezibhaya ngihlala namapolitiki kuyaliwa.
Oh.
Ngiyacaba mina ngikhulele endaweni eyi-one.
Sure.
Ahlala phaya.
Oh. Is it not because mhlambe uVoyvoy bekasiphatha kubhakaniya then wathi angifuna ukuya la ngoba ama-chances wami ukuthi ngidlale kubhakaniya mhlawumbe angaba khona nyana?
Ngidlala kuVoyvoy way before waba coach Pirates.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Dala man ngikhulela la sho ngifike la ngaboma 10 11 years.
Oh, okay. So at that age uVoyvoy ulinda nje or so uTsikitsiki la?
Bekuthiki nje ordinary.
Ordinary nje ungakabi nje bale special.
Nah, next because beni athlete before.
Oh, okay. All right.
Shot 100 meters.
Oh, from Estela boyilezi.
Yeah, as a baller.
Oh, okay. So asiye kukwala nje kuma nickname nyanqane kuyiqala ngama nickname. So uTsikitsiki camera never lies. Amabhaya. Elipho lincanywayo bathola kanjani wonke?
Uyazi ama-nickname awuzikhetheli ugawa abantu. So angeke ngithi ngithanda niphi liphi engingalithandi nje. Ngoba libizayo.
Yes.
Ngiyaqhubeka nalo.
Because okay, sharp. Ngela kaTsikitsiki it's obvious mhlambe bodlala njengoThabo Monke, but then camera never lies. Ngocabanga liphuma vale. Wale khona wayishanga evala bayibamba ku camera or something.
The nickname bengayikawa uMax Mpunyana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sidlala ama-playoffs eCape Town.
Yeah.
So bam-interviewer like bambuza ngo-leadership ubona kanjani. So i-answer abapha yona ukuthi kuyelana emakhamereni ngeke icama mama.
Oh, yeah.
So kulala tsala khona lisibathi camera never lies.
Lastika nje from there.
Dala kanjani.
Okay, asiqale kulayi uVoyvoy. Angithi ntwana vele ukhulela emndeni uzidlalela idisk and then ubona amajita ajima then you decide to join or mhlambe yakulala ukuthi ntwana zona uzodlala kimi.
Mina wangilandela nje ngomtshela kuma-parents ami.
Oh,
Okay, ngicela azodlala ethimini yami sokugada.
Oh, okay.
Friend. But ulelama bengingalithandi bona.
Yeah. Funny you say that because there was a time uthole I think Polokwane City. You got him man of the match and the white dedicated like Olegi. And then you say now they're not this. So what was the relationship that the Olegi?
Ukrenga nje varne. Ukuze ngani disk fucked up. Umdala wami wangisho. Nakhona it was after Ulelama prediction.
Oh, okay.
Ulelama shonile ngenza grade 11.
Oh, that's early. So
yeah, so after kushona Ulelama umdala wami athi ngoba into ethandayo le. Awuthi sizama ukuyilandela le sibone izosibeka.
No.
Then that's how ngaqala khuthala nami ngesikhuphula ngesizwe sokuthi manje
Okay.
So ibona lami ngiyenza.
Okay, so I'm getting a sense ukuthi vele family structure is supportive behind you even before ufika eriding in ey'ntweni ezinkran. So mawudlala kuvoyivoyi nidlala ama-league wala eKasi, and how do you then go to riding i-development ye-Pirates?
Ukuze ngifike ku-Pirates besidlala same league now.
Okay.
Then ngaskoutwa out be Coach Cosmos. Then I went trainer in Cosmos maybe for something like 2 weeks.
Okay.
Ay, but ngabona man la.
Yeah.
Because la mele ngisigibe i-taxi ngiyohle eCarlton Center, mele ngiwalke to Rand Stadium.
Side, yeah, because
Manje ngibuya ebusuku
Yeah.
ku-train ethu. So ngayibona namdale ngeke ngisebenzele. Then ngahlangana no-Coach P, beka Coach Pirates naye.
Okay.
Then uyo wathi kimi woze ejimini Monday then sibone ukuthi lesinational.
Sure.
Azange ngihambise uvuyivuyi. Uvuyivuyi sihlanganise sihlangana phambili.
Now uyamangala ukuthi
Please clear kanjani. Ngitshela Dani ngize no-Coach P sorry so. Then mangifika la ngoba nalile ngiyochange u-coach.
Okay.
Then lo coach engifike naye bamsusa kule division bekangilethe kuyo baletha uvuyivuyi.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's how saphinde sahlangana kanjalo.
Wow. Oh, at that time akazocoach uVuyivuyi sayakuthaba intwana yakhe. He knows that. Yeah, sure. What position do you play, Kankani?
I play in attacking position.
In a-
Left, right, number 10 as a striker. Yeah, Chipo United today ngiyongidlalisa the right back.
Or mhlambe because that time mhlambe idiskila la mzansi sebalishintsha manje sebafuna ama players skillful overlap nani nani. Because ekhaya vele ngikho kanjani.
To be honest, the starting right back, I'm a full back wonke injury.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so naye bekaxakekile naye so wafika ebhenchini wasibuza ukuthi ubani ongadlala.
Yeah.
I volunteer ukuthi I can play that position.
And at that time I was a what defender before.
Ngeke ngadlala, but development ayidanga.
And how did that game go? Who defender? Until I'm 10.
I think I played 3 games as right back. Sidlale nePolokwane City kayi-2 because we played the Nedbank, then we played the league. Yes, winner I think 2-0. A cup in Nedbank.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
the league we played the draw. We played against the Chiefs. Ngidlala as the right back. Saluza 1-0.
Wow. Okay.
Church Lewis. I think 80 something minutes.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, it was not that bad, yeah. It's like when you play at the end of the day. I'm not going to tell you like position, but if I ground in Melusha is fine.
Yeah, for me, right back, it's more of a right midfield position.
Yeah.
Because it's one and the same thing.
Oh, okay.
And there's so many throwing guaranteed now to via speed wise, boom and she.
Yeah. You're going to athlete from Eskela,
Yeah, so being out my guy, ngeke difficult for me.
Yeah.
So vala phakathi ngivulele line then ngiyaza. Awuye line ngeke ungishini ukitchen.
Oh, okay.
So na corner flag.
Oh, so it's funny, it's a technique, sure.
Yeah.
Alright, so what idea, good development, so coach uVuyivuyi from Amadudlala division ayengakela ku development ye-Pirates, and are there any other players mhlawumbe ofike nabo la or odlala nabo that ever made it?
Ngidlale under 20. Ngadlala Castle, ngadlala Gameways. I'm playing ngasho ngikhuphuke nawo because mina was promoter first team Pirates bengule group generation yakusenzo meyiwa.
Oh, okay.
Excellent Walaza.
Yeah.
Ngutwena leyo group
Oh, you uqhini phela lapha.
Yeah, that's why nokuthi ngithole ispace sokudlala difficult.
Oh,
Because there was too much quality.
Yeah.
Ngapha mina mncane and ngifike development ye-Pirates ama-places soweto bangawazwisisi.
Oh, okay.
About discipline.
Yeah.
Cleaning his car.
Sure, it's always the case.
Yeah, so bobona now the izinto bezenzekakho. Usukuthi vele nami ngeplug.
Yeah.
Talent ngizoyenza.
Ukuthi ngilast born wonke lama player wakhuphula.
Yeah.
Mara still wafase club wathi ngizosithola iskill.
Talent lodwa ngeke ufike ndawo.
So bokompisa nobani when at the time bazon like bazon
Ukubika kwa first team ngafika wasayina amanye ama play. Because mangifika wasayina uSifiso Myeni,
Yeah.
ukunano Dan Clade.
Oh, okay. So during about 10 late, yeah, at that time.
Yeah.
Was it 2009, 2010, love?
Yeah, somewhere there.
Somewhere there.
2008.
Yeah,
8,
yeah.
9.
Oh. So much there's more competition from the cream with development, but let's say any competition. So much
And then when we understand, like, if first priority was we got low abamthengi. Yeah, when we play development, it's self-develop. I mean, you understand.
Talking about that, mangabe babaye mhlambe Dane Clade and wena usuka with development. Is it possible or is it true ukuthi uDane Clade angayithola kuma mhlambe 100,000 when ungayithola ne10?
Yeah, the standard salary.
Yeah.
More development, don't come to ya.
Yeah.
More development, maybe sell this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, by then we 5,000. So
when ushisa kanjani wena umenyuza
wenzi uzothola that amount.
So are you saying manje njengoba umfuke ngaphuma ku development mhlambe sithi kuyi 7,000 10,000 bekathola iso standard less?
I think after I case ka price bavuma because price bavuma wafela ayikhuluma into after 5,000.
Yeah.
I think change upon then. But angazi lo usifana kanjani. Mostly manje ama-players wana-agent.
Yeah, sure.
Sebayabakhulunywa.
Okay, angifuni ukuthi siyidabule ukuthi sifike kwesoku PSL, ngifuna siqale khona yekasi. So, njengoba soyosana mhlawumbe ku development. Kunama tournament yekasi, kunaboma indlela iWalter Sisulu Discovery nani. Uyabuya ekasi uzodlala kulawo ma tournament.
Yeah, beswadlala but beswadlala ngeke.
Ngoba bangafuni ngalabo ukuthi badlala ama tournament.
Ngoba yakhona iphepha kumele ulisayine ukuthi akunathona uzodlala.
Osayenzela ukuthi in case mhlawumbe imali la yakhona
zoba icase yawo. Nakhona bebabheka ebusweni.
No.
Yacaba bayayibona potential. No.
Yeah.
Asibeka samoya.
No. Hayi noma kadlala
sibekanga kanjani.
Sure. Yeah. So the time in Shisa riding so in Soweto All Stars, yeah. Was it during the time who Pirates?
It was a development.
That was a development.
Yeah, it was before the first team contract. The funny part, I think some of our parents I slow on the process now.
Why?
Because at some point in the end, scout there's a different.
Wow.
But there's a pirate. Only to find out, Baba, we say a report them over clearly.
Wow.
And the one came up one.
Hey, what's happening on bad?
But still, we don't promote. Give us success.
Was it because of Klabe umncane kakhulu or kunomuntu bekakudelay kanjani?
I ain't asked me. Because after Leo set up Leo, bangithatha bangihlalisa career.
Okay, but abasangifuna uze
so mase ngibheka ngihlele ngiwani bale fear mhlambe ngafika something
so
at least mangisakhaleni phambi kwabo
yeah bayakwazi ukucontrol
kanjalo.
Let's talk about Soweto Riding All Stars. I think Soweto All Stars had gave mhlambe more fame than Pirates did. Don't you think? Because that's a very crude. No one should be done. I don't see. They want to walk.
Yeah, it's team as a cast.
Yeah,
in the day we had too much quality.
In the quality.
Yeah, it's just that we are in fantasy about them.
Yeah.
Because now my personal feel corner it is the business doing.
Yeah.
But as long as feel long figure corner.
Yes, so
but didn't doing issue. Before ukuthi ezinye azina trust man umuntu unalento lokuthi ayibhola ngiyalazi
yeah
so le talent enginayo lizomfikisa lapho ngiyakho ukhohle ukuthi somehow dingeka nenkani khona la force deck
but
yonke into phela ngeke ize lesimele uzilana.
So most khuluma ngala scouts ayewa scout so I'm thinking mhlawumbe beku Discovery lapho benishisa khona ezi All Stars
ezibhaya ngokukamahlo
ngokamahlo. Yeah
because before All Stars mina bengidlala uMdlulane Black Poison.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and now khona Black Poison besidominate.
Yeah.
Because All Stars ifike after team.
Okay.
So kwaba nalento lekuthi ziyangilanga le time phela ngeke uyodlalela abantwana bamagasi
Uyezambia ngapha Jazelle
ezibhaya zasekazi ezigangazi ezimthembisa namagasi
yeah
yabo manje nawe uyabona ugcina ungana choice
sure
bezodlala igasi la
badlala igasi la
so babuya kanjani igasi
and another agree talking about Urulane, do you think Urulane ku Black Poison is it doing enough ukuthi develop amajita mhlawumbe waphinda wafaka naseyintweni
yeah back then bekayenza le but no since thola isipani Sundowns angeke azenze zonke
but then somehow do you think yawafail amajita or naye izandla zakhe zifasekile
yeah yabona lesikhatha saseku Silver Stars before izoba Platinum Stars bekagana nge-chance because they I think they are nepower by but most of you team ekhodi njenge Sundowns angeke uzosayinana na noma yiphi
bazoze bajabule kodwa lo donsa nje kwalana
so ngithokulana ama players teamini
okay wow okay so ke manje sharp kule era yakho kufika bosezomeyiwa kufika bo Clayton kufika in do you play kuleyo season or you stay standing the whole season
team makuzophela i-pre-season we had a meeting
sure
like team yonke then basitshela ukuthi abobani abalonayo and stuff mina ngazisukumela mina ngabacela ukuthi okay ngiyazicelela ngicela loan
kodwa ungakubhakanela
ngicela loan because ngiyabona la ngizoba frustrated
sure
ngizogcina ngingasamsali
hungry for your game time at the end of the
uhlala ebenchini season yonke ngeke kube phela so ngicela loan cela ningayini loan ngizozifunela i-team.
Okay, at that time do you have team ekufunayo mhlawumbe uyicabangayo or uyaziringela nje uzongena iplan
ngaphamba ngikusuka
wow
because at some point besifila amabhola
namabhola
exactly
when wabela ikasina sisitshela ukuthi finance
la ikasina mafika la ufila amabhola uzothola i-chance yokujima ne-team masigijima but mase kufika lezi zinto zabo ma 11 v11
ufila amabhola
emva kwepala nethakura khani
yashisa phela lwethu
but ngihlala ngimtshela mina nami one day khona uzongifilela la mabhola khona uzongifilela
ulandela wena lethi
nami siyazikhatha kwami shekeza kangaka
isha
so ngicela i-loan by then bese ngine-agent
okay
then ngiorganizela ama-trials kwi-Bay United
ngiyakhumbula iPay
ngafika la lesikhathi beceda ukuyi-relegate
PSL2 impela
that time imvela besane-3 ezi-2 zakhona i-Coastal
ngiyakhumbula
then ngayitrayela it took me something like 20-30 minutes
but sebabona enough
ngifike badlala i-friend then bangifaka 20-25 minutes coach yangikhiphela esayidini bangithatha ngesilver
wow
that's ngasayina fike I think Thursday Saturday starting 11
so ngifuna ukucover ke the financial differences because angithi laba promoters development uyala uthola le 5 star so ngala sekuyi-division yelo yilayini imvela so do they maintain leyo 5 star leyo or mhlambe bayehliswa bayisa phezulu
sometimes it depends on the loan deal yakho ukuthi njani so if i-loan yakho wenzelwe i-team
sure
nino-agree ukuthi okay Pirates izoyibhadala i-loan yakho every end of the month wena uzobhadala i-Pirates but lapha mina ngiziyele mina ne-agent yakho so ama-terms nama-conditions ngiyazi-negotiate so nenyuko engiyifunayo ngiyazikhulumela ukuthi ngifuna imali engakanani ayihlangani ne-Pirates so bona into bangayenza ukubonitha ama-games ami ukuthi okay iyakhula le ntwana ukwenzakala
right all right but then more negotiate ama-terms wakho was it a bit higher than Pirates okay no fair enough so eBay United uyadlala emvela now you getting njengokuthi uyawathi i-first lineup is so kanjani season la
lapha bese ngiyele game time experience
okay sure
so bengidlala regular bengekho that difficult for me because bengidlala nama-football at that time i-captain ngokusiranzama ngidlala no-Patrick Mayo, Jimmy Kauleza, Jimmy Zalazala, Gerard Nanga, then Namafori.
I'm a hot man.
So being Shalan surrounds American. I'm
Usebenza is one player angicabanga personally but ngiyambona ukuthi khona discipline. Did you learn a thing or two from yena discipline?
Too much. Hence bengitshela before ukuthi uyo wamgeleza rating maybe ezibhayi xa bidisc zahlupha. But inkomo because noma ucheck PSL mayicwela inkomo lezi zicala idisc zifew as last because umuntu 3 4 5 games nyana vulikhanda past then sekutshela yimi ngeke umtshele next.
So are you saying is that why standard say PSL lo kanje because amaplayer amnandi ayahlupha so kumele sidile nalamathita adlalayo?
Injalo ayikhe yile nyunga.
Alright, so now mawudlala kuBay ngiyacabanga ukuthi it was a good season for you. Did you play a season or two and then we have far from it in kuBay?
Ngidlala kuBay tema kuphela isizini siphele number 2. I think shooting a point or two. Last game this thing it or win. Sajiwa 2-1
Ukuthi ngiye kuma playoffs or ni
automatically.
Yes.
Sa loser kanjalo then still must lose a team by team.
I think to buy some team there.
So ngoba team team ngabuyela back to development of Pirates. Ngibuyela ngiyebo yes.
Oh okay. Ulandwa iPirates or
ispana kanjalo.
Oh ispana kanjalo.
Awulona.
Oh yeah. Sure.
So decide coach ukuthi uzofuna lo uzofuna lo then sabuya ubuya wami then boku crawl.
Okay.
Boku crawl then baba khona lento le yama Mandi Reserve League.
Okay.
But bengidlala kuyebo yes. Vodacom then ngama Monday ngizodlala ngapha Reserve League because obviously bese ngibese. Then ucrawl naye ngabona naye ukuthi lo indaba yami ngathaka yini then ngafuna enye loan hiyo
ucrawl lo wathatha i-treble na
before loan kukhona i-team yase-Nelspruit idlala Vodacom izwe ngama-playoffs so ucoach wakhona bekasicaba then wacela uphala shoes ukuthi amlona ama-player i-3 then wazibizela yena so igama lami belimele khona
sure
then savaya sayodlala ngala so lesidlala 3 games league yaphela sayodlala ama-playoffs eKingston then sadliwa finance sadliwa cheaper but we got the promotion.
Oh okay.
Akuloko kudlala ama-playoffs I think ngathola ama-offer kuma-3
uyafika ke la masikula game
after ama-playoffs ngahlala something like kuma-3 months it's ayiphola ngiyaliyeka because round endaweni
eyi-1 and uyabona nali igolide selilana mara nje kancane
at some point was amazulu ake wangayi-contract
kuma-playoffs lawo
but nayi-contract
okay
because bese bakhulumile ne-agent yami so agent yami yabatshela ukuthi la ngifuna khona ngihola imali engaka usipana kwaso but wakhohlwa ukubatshela ukuthi i-player le-Pirates.
Okay.
So bona beza so ikhanda lawo ngi-free agent.
Bakusayina manje bakuthatha manje lena da.
Sayinwa yi-owner ye-team. Ethi bakuphela ama-playoffs yami se-Durban la uyikhaya. Thatha i-contract neyifunde ehotela. Eshithi ngagidla ne-contract ngifake phansi komthetho.
Shuthi awuhlakanele ukuthi vele naye ayenzakala yini.
Bebona ngidima kumele sihlangana nala one to sign ngavele Floyd Ribet. But can't sign me. And vela sekaphethe proof vele.
Ukuthi player lami
le Pirates lilami lo.
But manje uyivala kanje le opportunity unama plans for wena ngala.
Angicazi se-Cape Town ngidlala ubhola. So uma sithe negotiate nalawa abantu bona bayifuni lo. Sasemncane, so it's like ngoba ngithatha ngelungu bona ba-prepare i-Pirates play.
Sure.
So mase-right kumele ngincede bona. Then ngizobuya futhi ngizohetha bona.
Yeah, sure.
For bona
yenza. So what happened with that deal?
Yaphelele emoyeni. Sadlala ama-playoffs aphela. The way imkwate engakhona masibuya ngisale Southgate. Because besihamba ngebus thina zange sifly
yeah, sure. Sayidrive kushiyela.
Masifike Southgate obvious siyayekha stop kuyobhala igawu uyichama whatever. Ngiphume njengomuntu oyochama sathi isikhwama sami. Fonile asiyami yazolala. Babone uma bafike spread down.
Umuntu lo akekho. So are you saying with situations like that ezenza ukuthi niqaleke nishaya amagoli?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
But frustrated. Ungasazi manje yini kanti le wrong
Yenzayo, sure.
Kumele wenzeni.
So I'm more interested with okay, what happens okay, sharp wehlile Southgate mhlambe wayoshaya out yakho whatever niyenzayo. UFloyd uthini now that yes ubuyile and uyivalela into leyana bathini kuphakani?
Bangifonele bangitshela bangilindile ethi kumele ngireport for training.
Yes or office?
First team.
Okay.
Then mangibuyela bose parachute. Okay, parachute besimele relationship.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yena beka willing ngumguy chance.
Yeah.
Because ngiyakhumula noma ngithi ngifuna loan. Lapho ungayithathi loan ngizokudlamini. But uyacaba ngiyibona. Mawuceda faka line-up yakho edlule enkantolo enkulu baya-approve.
Yeah, baya-approve bona.
So makayisa ngara ingagarazi yabuza phela ukuthi then ubani-ke lo? Why khona lokhu ngekho lo? Yabo phela igama lami alinasimo.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So angeke uzodlalisa mina ubeka usifiso mina. By then usukhona ngakubheka imakhadi. So ngizodlalaphi?
So bayishintshe line-up
before the line-up azange ngiregister
Discalavari was
azange. So I heard ukuthi kumele ngibuyele back.
Okay.
Because ngithe ngibapromote
NFT, yeah, sure.
So endleleni eyara fona shooting number ne outspace spana Whitemeal.
Yeah.
Ingise backstage. The outlay i-agent yami kuyi-media lepara.
Alright.
So lepara mayingivayisa i-media yakhe yamfonini. So mayimfonile yamtshela ukuthi isi-London. Kunithimbe bathi Blackburn Rovers bedlala i-NFT.
Okay.
So yayitshela ukuthi isi-London and isi-London abafuna ukuthi. So le yamtshela ukuthi ke ngikhuluma naye la. Yomshiye backstage manje ubuyela eLespring.
Uyodlala kuSifundza.
Yeah. So chairman ithatha ifoni usestere lokuyi-agent yakhe eringe nawo. Uthi uyaphi ngani ngoba siyakufuna. So le para engivana naye lokhu iyangihlebela la ekhaya ukuthi ufuna mali. Ngitshele indoda ithi okay uzongigaya isalary engaka ngifuna igqoke number 10.
Okay.
Ithi hayi akunastress ngithi okay akunaproblem. Ithi hayi yazi ngizokukhokhela iflight man.
Wow.
Then uzoflya uze ngayise ukuhlangana naye airport. Sentime indlela
phela beyoza ibhasi lapho
airport.
Sure.
Flyer isi-London abele ngithole igrade sibe grade bese ngidlala ngala isizini kwa.
Wow. So i-loyalty ayikho kanti ayikho i-loyalty. Whatever yenza sense uhamba naye.
Someone who keep imali.
So i-Black Band le idlala kanjani? Idlala obvious zange yilo ayinini
nakhona zashoda ngam 2 points. Last game kumele sidlale draw.
Yeah.
Then siya kuma-playoffs.
Yeah.
Saziwa 2.
Oh. Like ngakitake sala ngetipsi. Awupur.
Bese ngibona la 2 PS emenhla.
Yeah.
Because mawuzokhuphuka ne-team
Simple
ukuthola igame time because uzothola abantu sokubajwayele.
Yeah.
Ne-coach siya-understand better than ukuthi una ispan somewhere. Samele uziprove khona.
Yeah.
And then nakhona phela kumele understand yonke indawo ozofika kuyo kunamabhoza wakho.
namabhoza
Yeah, kumele ufike
ney'nkomo ezinediscipline.
umuntu ufuna abantu bakhe.
So let's get to i-riding, i-debut game yakho ye-PSL. Uyithola nayiphi team and uyithola nini?
Polokwane City.
Yeah.
Yeah, because besengidlala Ga-Rankuwa ne. I think season yami yesi-2 masibuyela Ga-Rankuwa. Mina bayenza i-deal ngazi, to be honest.
Okay.
Sasiye ejimini, masibuye ejimini ngiboniswa ama-play passing, kick off online.
Ayibo.
Inashiwa signed 3 deal Polokwane City.
Angazi next, angazi for.
Angazi next. So amathita yangu benza
Okay.
the same to expect season weekend. So ngiyawabuza ukuthi mina ngisayine kanjani i-deal ma-Giants ngilanda.
Ndiyabona.
Ngiyabona ngilanda. So ngisayine nini kanjani?
Sure.
Ngibonisa kick off. Then masifika e-hotel then. Yeah, so the chairman bese seyangi-explain say ngakuthenile. Bandaga ubusuku uyabaya Polokwane.
Shuthi i-riding i-agent yakhe at that time should have beyicava, ne-coach beyicava, nje
Yini bengingazi.
Yeah. Okay.
Because mangifika vele nasehotela check ifoni uthola ama-missed call e-action. Ngifonela sisicedile nalabantu so
So i-riding uBhakani yazange udlale ku-first team zange udlale. So mawuzothathwa from i-Ga-Rankuwa uzosayinwa iPolokwane. Are you now still the player leBhakani awusowuqedile ngala?
Angiyosayina ne-Ga-Rankuwa.
Yeah.
Saya ku-Pirates cha.
Oh, okay.
Then masifika la we got an opportunity ukuthi basibuze ukuthi sifunani. BenginoZulu by then. Siyabonga Zulu.
Zulu yeah, sure.
Esi2 then basibuze ukuthi sifunani. Then mina ngabatshela mina ngifuna clearance yami. Signing on fee yami ne-salary yami bengikolota yona 3 months.
Okay.
NoZulu same question.
Yeah.
But uZulu yena wathi ufuna extend contract.
Ufuna ukuhlala uBhakani.
Yeah, all right then. Extend
yake mina bekangisona ikhethana.
Bekahlala nami ungihamba.
Should have bekancikele kubhedge ukuthi hayi Bhakani.
But angingimsole because besinga-Spanish agent eyi-1. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento azikhuluma la isho yazitshelwe yi-manager
yeah. And plus ama-opportunities awafani mhlambe ukuthi amapha amathema amfunayo sure.
So mina neyami agent bese sikhulume ukuthi eceleni ngifuna
thatasula dibani.
Then saba nelakhi vele yonke into sifuna sayithola on the spot.
On the spot?
Yeah, ngayithola.
Isayini ufindo imali yamapela plus the salary ya 3 months phezulu.
Thema cela ukusayinela ama-clearance ethu wangena ama-notification because ngikhumbula grade uphuma kwamndami ngaphuma ngayo by car. Yeah, ngava ngayo by car nje ngizuza ngikhathele itaxi by car lo. Yeah ngaphuma ngayo
uyilata kotanti car
ngapha igolf. Then ne-golf elikhulu
sure
i-velocity.
Yeah.
Asibhayela ngifaka ama-mag nangifaka i-sound sibuyele kuzongifuka ngifike la ngifuna ukuyakha.
So at that time vele soyafika ukuthi abona manje izinto ziba mhlophe ngesikithiki manje
yahlangana.
Yeah. So you then go to i-riding iPolokwane City again. Sure. Before sibeka uPolokwane City, you spoke about i-riding i-tournament ofike wachisa ngayo kakhulu uMax Maponyana zakugayile kambe
ama-playoffs.
Ama-playoffs. Isivutho. All right. Sharp uyangena uPolokwane ufika la kuba njani?
Yeah, bukekho that difficult man because busokukhona amajita aseklasi bese wayira hayi ngajwayele.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngafike nje kwaba grand. Because ngahlala I think 3 weeks. Because beka-complaina nge-fitness level and sisase-unfit then ngiyapusha. After 3 weeks ngacala ngana.
Okay. So iPolokwane ivayisela impompo ne?
Yeah.
Like ngihlala ngala vele namandlana. So what's the professional level ngala iPolokwane compared to mhlambe to abo Pirates nani? Because angithi ngiyazi ezayi-choose the sport. Manifika ngala hayi ngiyacomplain hayi.
Yabona uqala engastruggle ngayo mina.
Sure.
leyo kwashikhithi
Akekho uTabani bani
okay maqanga phela phakathi mokuqeda ukujima faka ibasket pushe ibasket leyo ya
yeah sure
lapha yabagaya esinye isithwala singaka samukhithi uyazwashe captain izosha trading it's okay sasa jima ngikhiphe orange
yeah
mele wenze sure ukuthi clean
lapho kuPSL
yo
mara shobe isafika lePolokwane during that time ne
namanje kusafana
into isazwashela namanje
lapha ya lento yokuziwashela manje iyabheka because ebantwini ngidlale no punch masinami
yeah sure
that guy besize simbiza ring roll
why
ihlala faka ikhite roll mabathi orange afike no white athi white aphethe nini that guy go afike chimini aphethe amakhoks abetha ku right abayithi
ndikabhali ukhawa
ngithangima wathi mafake afake banana ithi smile Ela ukubheka isikhathi abuya kuChiefs.
Kuya kuChiefs bese bheka kuma big screens lokuthi
afike ejimini ukhohla amasokisi sekajima ngamabhandishi.
Beke na depression ye Chiefs mhlawumbe abe lithola le depression.
So bese nje sibuza ukuthi akuna plan bangalenza lekhiti ukuthi at least iwashe somewhere.
Yeah.
Noma bangafika sebayiphethe like
sure.
Nge-March or something bayibeke change room then umuntu uzokhipha ijersey. Masiceda sibuyisele la. Kunokuthi umuntu ahambe na
noma ngakhipha ndoda ama50 kuma salary uthola uandi mhlambe or laundry ishaya lapha
uzukuzu
so yi culture shop yokuqala ekushaya mawufika la
yeah leyo kwashikhida ngisho la
sure
then ngaqala bangifika bele ngihlala lapha
okay sure
basangifunela indawo yokuhlala
and then obviously team yaseLimpopo ngiyacabanga amagame emele round omlilo kushawe something ritual nyana
next
ayishaya bakala
next if mhlambi khona maybe mhlambi bebathesha ijile angengazi
mana khona lenizwashela ijezi belihlala kini
no playing kid
playing kid or
yeah something kid masejimini manje ikid ilandwe lonke igociwe right but bofike changing room ikid dem so asazi semanzi
sure
and again
yeah yebo question qobudlale wena
then uzodlala thina seqoba sidlala
okay so are you getting a game time ePolokwane City
yeah ngitholile
yeah
especially ngoPapich
yeah
because lokuvaya kwakhe ngakukhala naye ngaze ngambone ngadangweni
uyabulala
ngibulele lo because ukuvaya kwakhe ngasistrike phela
sure so ngiyayibona lento isho ukuthi kuyangena nangecoach sometimes mayincane coach you get to play mara na first time now that
yeah mina I prefer coach for real
is it
yeah amafungana wana ngizibala
but your style of play umnandi umapune skill and bona bayincane la endlela
hayi Papich
is it
Papich akunama restriction naleyo coach angakhona
yeah
simple straightforward yeah when you have the ball you just need to go forward don't worry about defending
yeah just go forward sure yeah so who replace one Papi
wafika kwande kuliyolini
no ayibona kuliyolini
zange sizwane ke nale yankhakha mina la
sifuna different style of play
mina umake manje anyway sengimoshile
ithi kuyawaphambili that
uyacaba my player somjwayela ukudlala attitude phela
yeah
Papija angingithelele nalezi ngihlala nazo ebhenjini bengizitshela ngidala nanihleli nindembili ungena mina
ngikapemile
elekampela mayiphuma changing room ayingene
yeah
shiba noma ngisukume ngiyazitshela lezi ngithini yo so mase ivayini ngweni sezingihleli la nje
sure
phambili bawa
so hlapnatha ama eyes
hlalile intinga nazo I think almost the season
yeah
grandstand it's always nethi
grandstand leyo shift le yakhe nyamfana ngiyacabanga na emotional
kula ngicala khona ngiye nami la.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because ngesizini yami yesi-2 ngapha iCar ngiye.
Ubhayika kanjani lesi time?
Ngapha iGold 6.
Number 6, yeah, sure.
From lapho.
Sekuyamoshela. So uselimpopo so ngama-riding after games or ngama-weekend off nani niyayishaya vaya niya eSoweto mhlawumbe esemingi.
Wena uba le fair wena after game. Every Thursday mina ngisejulu. Every Thursday.
Even the time odlala.
Mase ngalesikhathi sengine-Gold 6.
Yeah.
Every Thursday mina ngisejulu. Khona club bathi kuseStones.
Yeah, Stones, yeah, bona Melville, yeah.
Ngihlala ngila. Thursday sijime ekuseni.
Yeah.
After training, givele isitulo. Stones sobuka la sibuka khona sigidle.
Yeah.
Following day ekuseni ngiyazi sijima ntambama i-training ayingiba ecamping.
Yeah.
Kume Stones ukhinda yokulala siyagidla. Asivuke ekuseni siyageza sigibele isitulo.
Were you part of the ngesikeme sabo sijuku nale kodwa salo usijuka kanje izinto la. Were you part of lezo zinto lezo?
Emploma la but mina bengasumi umuntu oclose kangako. Ujuku la sipana ngama-big gun.
Oh yeah.
Ama-play Sundown.
Yeah.
So mina ngabantlawa mina bengiyoung mina.
Oh yeah. Ora usiphelela nje Stones uzenzele hayi abantu abase-DJs.
Mangiya kujuku ngihamba noThusa.
Oh okay, yeah, sure. Oh. Mara most nje bothi Stones usibuyele ngala.
Buyele mina.
So you superstar no bakubukela iTV every weekend. How does life yakho change now? Camera never lies. Mhlambe getting calls from abantu ongabazi. Like how does that fame thing work and how does it get to mood?
Mina ngimakhona engake change. Mina bengiyibonela kufana. Mina bengizibuyela problem amajens wami. Bongithola mina ekhonile isiglobile.
Yeah.
Ama-grounding sibukela ibhola. Ukunganalento nje wow man.
Yeah. Bekusifanele nje umchita lasekhaya.
Kulele ekhaya. Fethu. Kunale fishitshile uje vele TV.
Yeah. So I assume it was also easy noma so qedile ukudlala so buya still usabloma nawo amachita same thing.
Waya. Khulana.
So riding uyakudlalisa the whole season. Do you now leave iPolokwane or uyahlala
I think mase selekoma 2 games season iphela. Badlala against iChiefs.
Yeah.
Ngahlangana noDele.
Then
Then ngithuye bekangikhotha Garankuwa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then we explain the situation yami. Ngiyabhayisiseka so.
Yeah.
Ngathi I wasn't dlalisa mina.
Yeah.
So same time ukhulume general manager Peter Katrolis.
Okay.
Ukhulume naye then bas exchange amanamba batazongifonela ngizocala naye president.
Okay.
Then yena ndaba. Ngapha ngisathele ngesizini ye-1.
Polokwane.
Yeah.
So buy out leyo season or the loan deal ngakhona.
Ngoba uzukuzulu. Because masibuya for the preseason fika i-coach entsha.
Sure.
And then mina sengifuna ukuhamba.
Okay.
Fika i-coach entsha okay preseason siya trainer. Coach lo musha siyaqala yena ukuba interested.
Oh. And there's already yena
Sekukhulume nabantu ngale bangimele. So coach uyangidlalisa wonke ama-friendly ngiyadlala.
Yeah.
Shit now uyabona mina. Ngathi ngisema-plains.
Sure.
Kuye angichange i-position.
Okay.
Because bengidlala as i-winger, angidlale as number 10.
Alright.
Because mina ngiyabona ngathi lelihlo legoli.
Yeah.
Udlale la eceleni kwamapali.
Sure.
Kini icala lapho-ke. La phambi kwamapali phela kudlala umntana eChemini. Ukudlala empuleni. Jolande from number 10.
Oh yeah.
Cala lapho-ke inkinga. Umntana eChemini sekumele achieve. Fale kube ney'nkinga zibhaya yena. One day siceda ukudlala friendly bangibiza ebusuku.
Okay.
So bengishare ihhotela no-Chop Mabonyana.
Alright.
So mangisuka man ngiyamtshela like joking.
Yeah.
La bayangixosha la Chop. Siyahleka ngiyaphuma. Kanti vele lilingiring ayikho.
Into ezoyenzakala. So uyacanga ukuthi vele ngithathe position entwana echairman endaba ayikho yini.
Yeah, so mina sengifundile.
Soyifundile sure.
So mangifika mara vele ngithola umuntu uhleli phansi.
Yeah.
Sikhi bangihlalise phansi la. Bathi kimi ni grand. Ngithani right.
Yeah.
Sayishawa. Bathi i-coach ithanda nje ama-plans bana. So ba-plan kunglow. It's okay. Angina problem ne-loan.
Yeah, sure.
But angifuni loan ekungase PSL.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngingangilona any team but PSL. Angifuni NFT labo Oracle.
Ngale enough there.
Ngifuni PSL. Bathi kimi okay, bazoyenza iplan bazobuya kimi. Ngisho bengibuye sengebhekelo achoose wabo.
Yeah.
Ngathi alebe ngiyibona le. Abantu bangiyiki nalesikhathi sidla. An hour after sebayangibiza ngifundile.
And then that ukuthi ucoach ini nayipho ngoba uyambona coach uthembile.
So the following day mase Jimini ayithe bangitshele yona mina ngiyasengifaka amateki ngaphethanga kakhulu. So masifike la ucoach angibuza ukuthi yini wawufaka amateki ulimele ngithi ayangimela but then wasiphume ngiyamtshela bathe wena uthe angiphe amapenzi la. So angiyiboni reason yokuthi ngithobe ngiphere ne-team yakho wise angikhe ama-plans nawo. So manje talking ngaphandle wena uqhubeke nama-plans akho ungaphazami.
Sure.
Athi kimi ayikho lento leyo mina lento ekhulumayo ngiyazi. Ambubhama uCox uzochiya. Ngiyele remember to bama uCox. Sijime babuya abangitshela itori. Ayibona abafanga uMclarence yami because ilaba yilonje abangishothile. Ngithi kubo okay akuna problem. Ngiyangaya Clarence yami. But mele ngikona rishi contract yami because ngilele ngishaya.
Yeah, sure.
So mele ngibhadale
Sase
season yonke ne-signing fee yami because since ngadlala kakhulu kwale-seats angiyazi signing but contract bay khona.
And usually signing fee bagamele bagaye usafile.
Ithola
ngama yeah, sure.
Yeah, if uzoyithola mhlambe June then enye ithola December.
Okay. Sure.
But ngidlala 3 years langazi nayithola. Epara hlala ngishaya ingishonisa lena ngaze ngaduka ngabona ngiziphathise ngikuhle.
So manje yabaqinela manje ngiyayifuna.
So sebafuna ukungirelease ngiyabatshela ngayi ownership contract yami ngayi ne-signing fee yami.
Yeah.
Then ngizoyithatha i-clearance yami ngibaya ama-stress. Sure. But hayi bazobuyela bayokhuluma ne-chairman. Ciao. The following day mababuya ebusuku bathi i-chairman ithi izongigaya i-clearance yami ne-salary assessment. Ngidaleka ngifunde.
Aspire kanjalo.
Lapho sesiphelile i-pre-season sesibuyela eBulukwane. Sure. So bahale bathi kimi since mina ngiyesha alento engiyifunayo ngizojima ngiyi-1. Ayingijime le team. Ngathi asi problem. Jima ngiyi-1 stinky. But as long as imali yami izoyithola iphelele every lot.
And into engcane phela wena ubuye uyofola amabhola lapha ku-Pirates.
Abayadlala. So masijima lapho sijima khona kunama-field ayi-2. Sure. Ngoba jima la ngiyajima bangibekele nomuntu ongigadile. Ngathi laba bangazi la. Ngizobamba lo moya as long as le ngifuna
yeah uyithola sure.
Yeah, cause izongibhayisa ngani. Sengithenge imoto.
Yeah ukwazi ukuvela imali nje.
Sengama responsibility so ngizofuna iloan ye-NFT mangifika ku-NFT bakutshele nge-salary card.
Yeah.
So yabona ama expenses ami sokumele ayehle manje because of sengithola imali encane.
Sure.
So ngathi might as well ngife la ngiyi-1.
Yeah.
As long as ngizolala endlini. So lesikhathi abasijimayo la ile sengisijimaya nayo. Yeah, masiphuma sonke.
And in your mind already mu-dance ne-cheaper bayayikila. Sure.
Baloku bayafuna but angikhoni ukubapha i-answer straight because nami ngapha ngazi ukuthi
kwenzakala. Sure.
Until ngaze ngafika kwi-point yokuthi ngathi ayazi laba sebayangihlanela.
Yeah.
Abatshela ukuthi mina ayibaphethe ngoba mina Oh, before ufone cheap.
Okay, straight man.
Yeah, very straight. Yeah, ngikhulume naye, understand his situation ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yabo athi yena okay, ikhohle indaba yemali. Wena thatha i-clearance uze ngapha then ubhaya sizokulungisa. So manje sizokulungisa ngapha kusho ukuthi ukhulumela indaba yenyo kusho ukuthi okay mangiza ngapha mhlawumbe angangisotha nga something ukuthi ngibe ngibabuko. Yeah. It's okay, ayisiringe. Ngiyele ngapha ngibatshela ukuthi hayi akuna stress ngiyakala salary 6 months ngiyakhala yeah bathi shamba lingichemele lizosayina yabona maskilini ngichemele lizosayina cheap keep statement
yeah
athi deal is almost done with leadership yabona kaka le promise manje seyibona le article
yakwaha
ngizo kanti uchafu khamba so uyosayina ngayo thathing file transfer list. So transfer list angimofuna iplayer lomthenga. Sekayangithengisa.
Sekufune imali manje.
Ayabongibone manje sengistadi. Ngapha ngijima ngiyi-1.
So frustrated.
Jime thenga ukushaya weekend angibatshele ke hayi bafethu ngoba nazi ukuthi ngifuna ukwenzana ngapha. Nayahamba ngiyela kithi ke. Sengizobona ukuthi nenzani ke ngempilo yami. Senzo ngidecide la ngithi ngizwa ngayo.
Yeah, sure, namaboss.
Thatha impahla zami nami ngibe ngisiphi. Ngifike eJozi ngizicimela ifoni, base ngifike ngeFriday. Ngicime ifoni ngilahlekeliya.
Orodonsa.
Ngiyele strike. So Monday nongilayita ifoni uthola ama-miss call la. Call vela ithi hayi uzothatha i-clearance yakho. So kani inyuke yakho ya 6 months. Same time ngazange ngilinde nebhanki. Agive isithupha vele ngifika bangayiclearance ngibhalele. Vele inyuke ngithole impilo yokuphila.
Yeah, 6 months.
Yeah, baphaye impilo yokuphila. By then ngikhola after deduction ngithola kuma 80 something, 82, 83.
Oh, go. So manje ama 80 20
Baphaye impilo yokuphila. So ngisukela shayika vele sicale emota vele deposit inyuku then sibuye masibuye nje hlangana nomteam team sukazi
alright
then ngikayela i-clearance because uyebekane neshishi eshapa echiye
bay agent yakho beka umuntu
lekasipana then
okay sharp yeah
then ngikayela i-clearance then kube uye ke ongumanipulayo
then uthi chimpa kanjani
mangifika ngara makumele ngibajoyine bebaseDurban and mina sengisejuni
yeah
then the time amali ngifone ngithi hayi wena relaxa i-preseason yethu mayisuka la eDurban izejuni then wena uzosijoyina ejuni masifike ejuni then baba kanjalo ke bathi mabafike ejuni vela because ngefoni ngingabagayi umgimbi ngifonela ngibuza ama-size bangitshela ngama-jersey number khona ijezi engingafuna ukuyigqoka ngikhetha yonke then mangifika nje ngibheke ngatholi basket nazi into zakho la then sathuleka from jersey blom PE
so if you want to show number but number 11 so I'm already sensing ukuthi la kuchipa nje kudonswe ula ku dance makavalo zoba nenkingi did that happen right gabi
ngaba lenkinga naye
kanjani manje
ayisala silo
boka mkade tayifunayo
uya patrol
off the field
yeah
and they were stoned ayisa
patrol
yeza ile lesonofika kwapha nje ananansi ukuthi kushayela round
like angakamani phuma endlini agqoka kufakela ama-straight cap azifihla efikayo me-Q1 then uzo-check ukuthi lipi impela igenile uphume ngobani isikhathi then namanye ama-player usifana nawo wena uma ngeba nomuntu but njalo lokuphuma amagama elakha liphuma mara besinayo bazi nokuthi bowugcokile but loku uhamba naye lakho igama alikho
mara wena uye emacuba nabo ufike egane nyamgayi isipani
ayikhenyiwe phela uzukhona ukuye eCuba maybe deliver
sure
so if angisadeliver la ngizoyithola phi
uyaya so inkinga iqale yaba la
seka patrol
ma uyabheja
Ayisacabanga That's been a problem ke mina ngeze Jose kunzima.
But don't you think lezi zinto bengizenza sekuyizwe lezi ezimoshana iqalazana ngoba abantu yasesowethu abasawafuni manje ngoba lena bendoda.
Yeah, that's why mina in a situation abaya ne. Mina downfall yami career yami angiblame anymore. I think I'm a decision engawathatha ngenza ngifike lapho. Because akunamuntu oyengikhombe ngegama ukuthi ungabuyeli ejimini. Wayenza njani. Yimi nganguleyo position.
Ube mnandi Jose. Ube yonke into ibe la uthi hayi ami kancane.
Kunzima because ngikhumula against the Chiefs. Le game ngitshela ngangidlala as right back.
Yeah.
Le game leyo yiyo yaqeda icareer yami.
Okay, kanjani?
Because after the game kumele ngiyoyiyo contract.
Yeah.
And bangishaya extension.
Yeah.
So ngishaya 3 years.
Yeah.
Safika la choose but slight ni ngathi hayi mina ngoba idilile and asifile sasinyasana. Ngamele mu after 30.
Go.
Mangifika kwatile ngiyonyali yathi ayifuna ukukhuluma nix.
Ebayaxoshana phela le.
Ngihambela imeeting ngathi ufuna ukungixosha nesport awusucheap hayi. Ekela lento ayimidlalo lesiyilungisa le. Ngadala masekumele ngiyokunika contract sakufanele nendaba yenyuku. Because sengifuna inyuku ebhaya.
Yeah.
So then uya complain mthanda. Wamnika imali engaka kahlulwa yile.
Sure.
Uyambulala. Shuthi uzohamba 3 months angeze ekhaya.
Hayi.
Kodwa sengifuna 120.
Yeah.
Wanka 120.
Sure.
Ucheap uyavuma.
Consider.
Ngilwa nengweni tsa uyambulala lo mfana lo. Ngiyakhala ngokuthi ngiyadakwa. Driver rough. At some point ikari yami ingangeni estadium.
Why?
But ngiyandiza mina. So must feel ejimini ikari yami ngifake gate okay. Ikati wa musiki. Okay, ngiyojiva must ukujiva ngizoyithola igate.
Atleke moyiki. Atleke mothi ayitala sesowethu le ayibuzi.
Hayi. Ngiyarama nishi. Kuleli discipline serious. Yonke into la.
Sure.
Because la besihlala khona it's like 3 streets away from me. University.
Yonke inhlobo yentombazane
ikho. Ngihlala ngiyi-one. Ngizozwa ngubani.
And also mhlawumbe coach makaziloka patrola nani because mhlawumbe ufuna what's good for you guys and amhlupha nani so yazi abantu abafruit.
Yeah, yabona ekhasini yami ngiyazi mina bekapatrola cause from Garankuwa uyazi le khanda la ngiseli.
Eish. Before sizoyivala but I think did you ever play uMamkhize?
Yeah, but for isikhathi esiningi.
Kwesikhathi esincane bekase umvelo kusayingene lo PSL.
Yeah, sase
NFT.
Yeah.
Kunjani ukudlala ke la olilile? Consider nje yonke lento enzakalayo lo.
Great, but yawazi ama-team ase-Durban, mawungasuka ase-Durban, obviously uzostrike.
Ubanzimanyana.
Yeah, abaphathizwa seKasibawo. And la mina ngiyenokuthi. So bebangangifaki. Because ngabona nalesi sikhathi siyo-negotiate indaba zama-contracts. Yeah. Elo mama ngitshela nge-10,000.
Ubuya ko-80 something.
Yazi ngazi bamuntu lo. Ngadlala masekumele ngiyobe contracts abanila nendaba yenyuku. Because sengifuna inyuku ebhaya.
Yeah.
So then uyacomplain. No, wamnika imali engaka kahlulwa yile.
Sure.
Uyambulala. Shuthi uzohamba 3 months angeze echief. Kodwa sengifuna 120.
Yeah.
Wanka 120.
Sure.
Ucheap uyavuma.
Consider.
Ngilwa nengweni uyambulala lo mfana lo. Bekakhala ngokuthi ngiyadakwa. Driver rough. At some point ikari yami ingangeni estadium.
Why?
But ngiyandiza mina. So must feel ejimini ikari yami ngifake gate okay. Ngato amusiki. Okay, ngiyojiva must ukujiva ngizoyithola igate.
Atleke moyiki. Atleke mothi ayitala sesowethu le ayibuzi.
Hayi. Ngada manje kufuneka idiscipline serious. Yonke into
Sure.
Because la besihlala khona it's like 3 streets away from university.
Yonke inhlobo yethu
Ngihlala ngiyi-one. Ngizozongubani.
And also mhlawumbe coach bakazoka batlwana nani because mhlawumbe ufuna what's good for you guys and then amhlupha nani so yazi abantu abahluphi.
Yeah, yabona ekhasini yami ngiyazi mina bekaphathwa because from Garonku uyazi ukuthi khanda la emsebenzi.
Eish. Before sizoyivala mfana, I think did you ever play uMamkhize?
Yeah, but for isikhathi esincane.
Isikhathi esincane lekasa kumvelo kusayini lo PSL.
Yeah, sase
NFT.
yeah.
Kunjani ukudlala welile? Considering yonke le nto enzakalayo lo.
Great, but yawazi ama-team ase-Durban, noma so ase-Durban, obviously uzostrike.
Uba nzima nyana.
Yeah, waphuthunga seKasibawo. And la mina ngiyenocoach. Bebangangicala. Because ngabona na isikhathi siyonegotiate indaba zama-contract. Elo mama ngitshela nge-10,000.
Uyabo 80 something.
Yazi ngizibona lo. But le nto sile ngikhuluma nayo, at least yabanevalo. Yathi mina phela ngikwazi.
Yeah.
Ngathi at least ngikhuluma iqiniso. Sure, but from la ngiphuma khona 10,000 angeke ngithi incane. Ayikho.
Sure.
Ayikho. Then ngitshela ngokuthi because sekuzoyiwa kwi-December break.
Yeah.
Angiyithathe le 10,000. Then if bahappy ngami then ngizobuya January. So if ngiyabuya January then ngidlale ngivaye vele ngibuye January. Mangibuya January sebaloko bangisalina le ayabona la. Ngiyela ngibela. So nabo ngobatshela sakudlala. Mina ngiyahamba.
Ayikho le nto
Ngiyaqala phezulu. Because one thing I've been with football, once you start compromising your principles, I was giving a car. I want to desperate or now I'm home. So I want to but is after 3 days. Because before we I'm
Yeah.
I tell you, I feel the value out here on my chair. I tell you, I'm next.
Uzobona phambili.
Because kuna abantu engathulera umuntu akana game akana next. Mina ngiyafika ngiyadlala because sifike le team isemsileni le. Safike because sifike lo coach omusha sayikhuphula team seyile phezulu alo ngangibona kahle ukuthi right la mkhulu.
Sekafuna leza sekasila.
Sekumele kudlale nawo. Athi ngiyahamba.
Bebe kudewini ngalesithathu indalo uyolale yembele.
Royal Air yeah.
Because
ngale season bazoya kuma playoffs. Ama playoffs banga-attendanga. Yeah, ile season.
Bona babazobhala status kwanje
ngabakuthi.
So wasibhala nje status don't you have ama request esangabi nyanga bekeza.
Hayi.
Bed.
Yini lezo change. Because I think wena ngabo ku PSL bezoba wenza.
No.
Because PSL efanele NFT ama games NFT kuba ilawo nalawo abalive nakhona once in a while. Otherwise sizobona kuma highlights every Friday. So PSL it's guaranteed every week uzovela TV. So uzopusha ngitana zikasila.
Yeah.
Sibe right.
So now that idea njoba uzohamba phaya playground bengena amajita bacavayo la bathi kwenzakalani.
Okay, engidlale nawo bebara ukuskipa kabelo mahlasela no series omunamuhle
ngiyabona
because nani ya trip yakhona ngoba iveze series uyavela lapha memezi coach tshela lo muntu angayini
sure so mapela yakhe kuhipi ngala nonsense leya
some kuhipi abanye beyajabula ngekho umuntu ongekajabuleli imali
mara njengoba mama yomali yacaba ukuthi umuntu uyakhiyala ngemali sekayenzela nje iTV la
lo mama lo yami nangiwazi
So would you say that was the last team mhlambe ku professional level came in?
Yeah.
After that, what happened?
I played for Babero.
No, I better than one.
Yeah, I was playing Vodacom. But the same to my injury.
Yeah.
Dlala 3 months, 6 months out, ole udlala isikhathi esincane uthola i-contract sewuphumile ngigcina ngibodala emsebenzini.
Did you officially announce ukuthi hayi ngiyaretire this manje?
Yeah, professional, yeah. But I just keep the statement there.
No, but this
Yeah,
is like
like professional, say right.
so then you get khona into kancane.
Ah, great. Phela noma ungathi ngithola ithini kule age engikuyo. Madlala isizini 2.
Yeah.
And akhona umuntu ozomthola athi ngizogaya 80 hours, uzogaya 80 hours 6 months. After 6 months tshela inkinga zakhe banisele nawe ngapha umdala ininzi ayitshela ngabo salary card.
But angithi manje somhloti no and you understand no mistake owayenzile mhlambi nokumisuse inyo. So don't you think leyo 6 months leyo akalethi lando 80 hours zokhamba izinto zami bese noma ngangigabha it's fine.
Hayi angiboni ingangifanele le position engikuyo.
Yeah. Content, happy, emotionally ngayo yonke.
Yeah, I think important hit too much.
Yeah.
Because nabantu ababhali ngiyahlangana nawo batsenza i-coaching, gelizisa intwana.
Yeah.
I think angahili kahle.
Yeah.
Angakabi. So into ehlangane nebhola nje ayanga ngizidlalela nama-Sunday ama-gents wedlala tournament somewhere.
Yeah.
But something engathi izoba constructive I'm sharp. For now, I'm not eating sharp for him. But for no one,
so at this point, man, I feel that's why so spine consent on the 8. Omunya figure at his warada, so coaching down on the 8.
I need to start to do.
Never started to do.
I need to span 9 to 5.
So where are you now mentally?
Yeah.
But mental was for now, Pilaranja, how do you survive?
Yeah, so much it's pretty strategy.
Yeah.
Job chela nyaka on Sunday, gate pay every Sunday.
Yeah. Was died. Yeah. So you playing with ex-professional players in the league game, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Then you guys play to kind great.
Oh, okay. You come on the team.
Ngala with the cup.
No, I didn't make it that Sunday league. Oh, Sunday league. Oh, okay. Yeah, man, stars. Oh, so it's a masters. Oh, all right. So Spinella that is Calmera man.
So I'm great.
So I'm 9 to 5 for Grandy. Yeah, because manje I this scheme. It's something we development. I've got anything else apart from dining there. That's why I'm going to see no more Free State,
yeah, mostly I was at this skin about development. Yeah, good development in Shamana in Makasana. Yeah. Michelle in anyone, so it's an family. Because about those of our name,
So if you look back because I want to give a shout out to Iraden. I'm talking about this in Thomas after Iraden football. When I'm is pushing a business in Mashobane engineering. We should go to push Iraden machine for Iraden. Mabuchari, balungisimshini for the catering company and everything. Basiphathisana nendawo different like ama-spa, Pick and Pay. So ufuna intwana encane if they wanna be interested ukuthi asifake asifundise le skills zisipane nayo when they're ready to fly. Then asidedele zisiqalele izinto zakho because there's a lot of demand for riding a cars and intwana zicabe. So it's gonna give them that skill and then mazigrade asidedele zifly. But then the just further information that they wanna call in, WhatsApp and everything with them contact. Mashobane engineering, thank you, Professor. Mfana, asivale mfana. So Ngicela ngibonana njengoba ngisho kumafilisi so nalawo ma-tournament wasekhaya sawadlala. Is there anything mhlawumbe ufuna ukuyisho to ama-fans wakho because bona bahlipapaya ku-YouTube abantu bayawabukela mfana angazi ukuthi uyawazibukela la mfethu isabantu phansi.
Ngiyawaqaba lamakhili.
Yeah, and then how do you feel uma wabukela mfana ukuthi
Yeah, sometimes inhliziyo yami ngokuba siyekho man.
yeah
Kube nalento le ukuthi ngishakwadi talent but ekugcineni life ayifumani mani wami.
yeah go perfect.
Yeah, so ngilangikhona because of my decisions engithathe.
Yeah
Abanye abantu into abangayenza ukufunda ama mistake nawo.
yeah
Bangangithatha the same
true
because amanye amajita ngiyawa lama one-on-one conversation nawo.
Yeah.
Asadlala like njengombese last besikhuluma.
Yeah just side
Bangumoya nje ngizohlangana yabo.
Yeah.
Ngagijimisa le lifestyle esithathile thina because uyabona chayile mfethu ayisekho story.
Yeah.
And then yayini vele into engayenza manje age wise.
I said for sure.
Yeah, ina 37 no.
Yeah. Ngiyothi kutana ubezela ile ikhela yakhe yaqala nje abaqeda ukusayina ngala Stellenbosch no.
Yabona lokuzokwenza test.
Uzokuyitest.
Yeah, manje bamilahlele endaweni ehayi.
Yeah, azosibana
Seyithonthawu kula sobona khona ukuthi le uyayifuna nawo.
Yeah,
because wahlala Cape Town Durban khanda lakho lingekho straight.
Yeah, uzokwanike.
Iyachaya.
Mina UCT lapha kama university.
If you are paying ngitsa ku Skarongo bese baphelele.
Yeah.
Then Cape Town izalula.
Yeah, izalula
Sure,
sure.
amapha ngithima kuyiningi. Stellenbosch.
Uzokwakraya.
So bazomhafa. Abantu bikhanga. Ubona abaphile i-podcast
So bona sokuhlala from Cape Town everything's new sesoke yethaxi.
thina besishaya thina
Hey.
yeah 16.8 yasengena zoreste umntwana waphutha kuma-foreigners uyahamba kathi uyavuleka.
Hayi mfana sivale mfana I'm happy now because mfana uyobona u-content lapho khona mfana u-happy yes unawo ama-regrets but ke uyasho ukuthi asinto bayikhalela ekugcineni yabo.
It's as long as
Yeah.
kubalulekile.
Yeah.
Siyaqhubeka siyaphambili.
So siphushela ama-indoor soccer seyisho mhlawumbe ama-fans wakhe if asafuna ukubona udlala ama-indoor soccer noma-Sunday league ephimvini.
La ama-tournament ngiyawadlala ikasi.
Basazokubona.
Yeah, abasazongibona. Ayadlala fakta.
Bye. Ngiyajabula mfana cause nami I'm a fan so umuntu usazodlala hayi sizodlala everyday. That's tiki camera never lies. Nansoke mntanami nansoke. That is the Ghetto Dreams podcast. Siyabonga, thanks for watching bafethu. Danko.